Welcome to Construction Technologies. Join us as we delve into the cutting-edge innovations revolutionizing the construction industry. Today, we're exploring next-gen construction tech, from solar sidewalks in Hungary to glass bricks from Venice, modular wood pavilions, underground shelters, smart lifting tools, and even recycled plastic walls. These groundbreaking innovations are changing how we build the world. Efficiently, sustainably, and beautifully. Let's dive in. Venetian glass bricks. The Venetian Lagoon is home to Venice, a city celebrated for its bridges, canals, and rich artistic heritage. Nearby lies the island of Murano, famous for its exquisite glass creations. It's fitting that the stunning glass bricks from this region are named Venetian bricks. Venetian glass bricks have graced high-end locations such as Chanel and Hermes stores, and have even been used in a breathtaking skyscraper in Australia, where 7,380 handmade bricks were incorporated into the design. Each of these unique bricks typically weighs around 4.7 kilogram, showcasing the craftsmanship and artistic tradition of Murano. These glass bricks not only add an element of luxury and elegance, but also reflect the timeless artistry of Venetian glassmaking, blending tradition with modern architectural design. Plato. Let's dive into the world of construction tech, starting in Hungary, where innovation goes beyond the Rubik's Cube. Introducing Plato solar panels, an ingenious solution for sustainable energy generation. Covering 80 square meters of sidewalk with these panels can produce around 11.7 kilowatt of electricity. Designed to be tough, Plato panels are ideal for bike paths and parking lots. They are as easy to install as regular pavers, making them a practical choice for various applications. The company also champions sustainability by using recycled plastic waste. Each panel is made from approximately 400 plastic bottles. Despite their energy-generating capability, there's no need to worry about excessive heat. Even on sunny days, these panels remain as cool as regular pavement or concrete. With Plato, you can pave the way to a greener future, one step at a time. Layman. The Swiss company Layman AG is at the forefront of modern construction, specializing in modular wood projects. A prime example of their innovative work is the Into the Woods pavilion, which adorns the Swiss Embassy Garden in Copenhagen. Experts from Layman AG, in collaboration with two other teams, assembled 3 unique tree structures, each composed of 18 elements. To ensure stability, steel tubes were inserted into the trunks, which also provided drainage. The treetops are adorned with textile membranes, adding an aesthetic and functional touch. These projects by Layman AG have garnered significant acclaim, so much so that even Swedish King Carl XVI Gustaf inaugurated one of them. Their work exemplifies a harmonious blend of modern design and traditional craftsmanship, making a lasting impact in the field of modular wood construction. JDK Concept Container House. The JDK Concept 2-story container house redefines modern living with a sleek industrial aesthetic. Made by combining multiple shipping containers, it creates spacious, functional interiors that feel more like a home than a box. This house isn't just stylish, it's practical too, with quick installation, built-in plumbing and wiring, and solid thermal insulation. Its portability makes it perfect for remote or urban areas alike. Plus, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective, offering a sustainable housing solution without compromising comfort or design. Advanced lifting solutions. EasyG Manufacturing offers 2 innovative lifters designed to enhance efficiency and precision on the job site. The basic PM1 AIR model can handle up to 34 kilograms, while the more robust Grip Hog vacuum model can lift up to 109 kilograms. Both models feature a T-handle that ensures precise control, helping to keep tiles and other items level during lifting. For heavier tasks, the stronger lifter is equipped with an 8-shaped handle, allowing for 2-person use. Each lifter comes with a set of special attachments that include memory foam elements, providing versatility and ease of use. According to EZG Manufacturing, these lifters can reduce work time by 40%, making them a valuable tool for any project. Given their efficiency and time-saving capabilities, it's no surprise that even the basic model is priced at $634. Perry RCS Max. German expertise is poised to redefine the Frankfurt and Main skyline with projects like the 4 Frankfurt high-rise complex. Meanwhile, South Korea's smart city of Songdo showcases a skyline adorned with skyscrapers, all aided by innovative developments from Perry. Perry RCS Max lifting systems are pivotal for builders in ambitious projects worldwide. Capable of handling loads up to 10 tons, these systems offer flexible adjustments tailored to site specifics. Platforms can be maneuvered in increments of 75 centimeters, ensuring precision in high-altitude operations. Safety is paramount at heights of 200 meters and beyond. Therefore, the RCS Max kit includes not only remote controls, but also emergency switches on each platform, providing peace of mind and operational reliability. Perry continues to lead the way in advancing construction technology, empowering builders to reach new heights safely and efficiently in iconic cityscapes worldwide. PLAX building systems. At the heart of sustainable construction lies a straightforward principle: build structures that remain cost-effective throughout their life cycle. PLAX Building Systems, a Canadian company, is leading the charge towards this sustainable future by introducing innovative building blocks crafted from 90% waste materials, including plaster, plastic, concrete, and other discarded resources. These eco-friendly blocks boast superior durability compared to traditional bricks and concrete. Moreover, they accelerate the construction process by 3 times and reduce costs by at least 35%, eliminating the need for mortar. This breakthrough allows even those with minimal experience to erect high-quality buildings and structures efficiently. Initial production will commence in Canada, with future plans to establish a global production network, spreading the benefits of PLAX's sustainable building solutions worldwide. Han Plastics, the sustainable grid solutions. Introducing Han Plastics, an international company renowned for its innovative approach to recycling plastic into practical products like grids and more. These grids, significantly lighter than concrete alternatives at approximately 9 kilograms each, are robust enough for various applications, from parking lots to warehouses, capable of supporting the weight of loaded car carriers. Paired with a drainage layer, these grids efficiently manage rainwater and mud, making them an ideal choice for agricultural use, including farms and horse breeding facilities. Their durability shines through in all weather conditions. They won't rot, rust, or crack in the cold. What sets Han Plastics apart is their commitment to sustainability. Once these grids reach the end of their life cycle, they can be recycled, contributing to a circular economy and reducing environmental impact. ProCopy. Introducing Paradise Bleu Modular Pools. A French company introduces Paradise Bleu, a revolutionary modular pool unlike traditional designs. Constructed from modular panels, these pools offer flexibility and customization. The 10 square meter version is priced around $5,800 and includes all essential components, such as the pump. The panels are crafted from synthetic resin derived from recycled waste materials like yogurt cups, showcasing ProCopy's commitment to sustainability. If the Paradise Bleu model doesn't suit your needs, ProCopy boasts a catalogue of over 6,000 different components, allowing you to create the pool of your dreams, tailored to your preferences. ProCopy's Paradise Bleu modular pools combine innovation, sustainability, and customization, offering a modern solution for creating an ideal aquatic oasis. Superior walls. Superior Walls sets a new standard by manufacturing panels tailored to customer orders. Engineers meticulously assess building plans and utilize a proprietary program to develop a precise factory production plan. This process ensures efficiency and accuracy in panel creation. Specialized 11-wall concrete mix is integral to the panels, providing exceptional water resistance through a rigorous 345 bar pressure treatment for enhanced durability. Reinforcement includes steel and polypropylene fibers, which minimize crack risks. These fibers, despite their small size, significantly bolster panel strength. The panels feature a robust 6.3 centimeter thick extruded polystyrene insulation, not only fortifying structures, but also boosting energy efficiency. Innovative equipment aids in on-site panel movement, facilitating the smooth transportation of structures weighing up to 30 tons. Superior Walls exemplifies cutting-edge construction techniques, combining durability, energy efficiency, and streamlined manufacturing processes to meet the highest standards of modern building practices. Stylum Grating Slabs. Stylum grating slabs present an ideal choice for government officials seeking to improve the comfort and aesthetics of managed areas. These slabs are particularly suited for playgrounds, transforming hard-to-manage spaces, like roadside areas, into functional and visually appealing environments. The design of Stylum slabs incorporates gaps filled with lawn, creating a charming appearance that blends seamlessly with green surroundings. The material is soft, akin to playground surfaces, yet robust enough to support the installation of swings and other equipment, ensuring versatile usage. Stylum slabs are adaptable to uneven terrains, providing stability and comfort across varying landscapes. With a thickness of 65 millimeters, they also serve as effective islands during rainy periods, maintaining usability and safety in outdoor settings. In summary, Stylum grating slabs offer a versatile, durable, and aesthetically pleasing solution for enhancing public spaces, making them an excellent choice for urban and recreational area developments. Underground container shelter. Building an underground shelter starts with digging a pit large enough to fit a shipping container. A solid drainage line is laid at the base to manage groundwater, and a pump is installed to keep the area dry. Once the container is lowered into place, waterproofing is applied around it to prevent leaks. A thick concrete cover is poured over the top to handle surface weight and ensure structural integrity. To finish, a ventilation shaft is added for airflow, along with electrical wiring and a UPS-powered drainage pump to keep everything running, even during power outages.